I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Today I'll be teaching you the 10 simple secrets so you can gain all of that charisma and that self-confidence, so you can achieve just anything you want in life with all of that, all of the good stuff. Number 9 would shock you. I want you to stay with me. The simple step that people don't actually think about it, but if you master all of these, I promise you, you're gonna gain a lot of confidence and charisma, so you can be that cool person in the society. I know a lot of men lack a lot of confidence, but today, secrets unveiled. Let's go. Number 1, if you want to actually have charisma and build self-confidence, you need body language. This is body language actually. The way I'm sitting, you can cross your leg if you want to. All bosses sit like a boss. You fill out the space. Do not sit like this. Do you know when you get to a date, wherever you go, in an appointment or whatever, if you sit like this, it's not a ballsy way to sit. You need to fill up the space with much more plays, like your demand. Examples of people you can look up to in cases like this are people like Don Draper, James Bond, and all of these people who are actually playing that part in those movies. They play the alpha male. Check that out. Check on the body language, how they actually say. That's a beautiful thing to do. And number 2 is actually your vocal tone. Now, what's your vocal tone? The way I'm speaking now, I'm actually speaking like a man, but I could literally speak more in a better male voice, which is actually really sounds funny. It doesn't sound charismatic. People with bigger voices, more manly voices, actually have more charisma, more than anyone else. Just for a perfect example would be if I introduce myself. Hello guys, my name is Noel. It sounds cool, but it doesn't sound that charismatic. It doesn't sound manly enough. Watch the movies. You notice this. Commercials on the radios, they all have that deep manly voice, and there's certain ways you can train it, but we're going to talk about it in another video, how you could train your voice to speak like a real man, so you can command more respect and more charisma and more self-confidence. It's gonna be number 3 to having self-confidence and charisma is actually very simple as well. Make eye contact when you're making your point. Don't speak to your girl or to any person, a customer, your boss or whoever, and look down. This is a sign of low self-esteem and low confidence. You need to build charisma. You need to be able to look at people's eyes, just like I'm looking to you now. I'm looking straight into your eyes because I have the charisma. I don't want to speak looking down or look like you look places. It looks suspicious in the first place. So you have to be able to look at people's face when you're speaking to them to be able to have that charisma. Number 4, be less of a talker. Be more observant, but when you speak on point. People don't like people who talk too much. People love people who are less of talkers, but when they make a point, it goes directly, it hurts. It's just on point whenever they speak, actually. So, be less of a talker. Number 5, the perfect handshake. Well, you have charisma. People with charisma actually have a certain way. People with more confidence have a certain way to actually give handshakes to people. It's so simple. Notice how Donald Trump always gives someone a handshake. He gives a handshake and looks into the eyes, shakes it 1, 2, or 3 times, and then looking into the eyes. It can't build confidence like you're the man. I'm the man right in front of your eyes. I'm bigger than you. Yes, you have to feel small. That's how it goes. Number 6, Number six. Number six is so important. Now this is like a mindset. It's a mindset to anything. It's like the foundation to a lot of things that we want to achieve in life. You need the mindset, the perfect mindset, to be able to even have all of this. You need to think about it. I want to be a charismatic person. I want to have self-confidence. You need to start thinking about it. It should be like the first thing first. That is the foundation of life. You need to understand that anything you want to achieve in life, you need that mindset to it. Once you think about it, you could do it. So you need to firstly think like, I want to have more charisma. So what am I to do now? I need to have more self-confidence. So you start working around it. So it's like a mindset. Number six, the mindset. Number seven, you have to be the carefree person. Start being that nice guy who gets so emotional about what people say. Do not care about what they have to say. You see, people could go talk about you. Like people say you show off too much and you this and that. You feel you the boss. You think you're the man. Yeah, let them talk. Do not say anything in return. Not every action deserves a certain reaction. So literally, be the man. Don't give a damn. Never. Number 8. Do you want to have more self-confidence and more charisma? Be the first to leave any environment. You're in a meeting, in a date. Be the first to say, do you know what? I've got stuff to do, man. Let me just leave. Even if you have nothing to do, but be the first to leave. You're on a day like, babes, I have to go. I've got stuff to do. Yes, be the first to leave. Number 9. Number 9 is one of my favorite, actually. Now, people, it's just so simple, yeah. But this is something people have actually never thought about it. Like, to the way you walk. Do you know the way you walk into any place tells a lot about you? If you walk down, put your head down, and walk quickly in an environment where people are staring at you, it's a sign of less charisma and no confidence. Now, to be able to play around with people's emotion and make yourself more confident and have more charisma, you need to walk chest up, head up, and you walk slowly till you get to where you're going to. It's a sign of self-confidence and more charisma. You build more charisma. Girls gonna be looking like, who is this guy? He walks so confident. No matter how you're dressed, no matter how you look, be walking in a slow way and a very confident way. Number 9, I love it. Number 10. Number 10 is my favorite so far. Now, number 10 is self-presentation in your outfit. I wanted to put this number 1, but I said, like, there is no actual way for you to look to have more self-confidence and build more charisma. But as I thought about it, I said, if you could look cool, yeah, like you look gentle, just like I'm looking here, it feels good. And it gives me more self-confidence and more elegance and more classic. And if you're looking good still, your little girl looking nice, you guys to get good together, good to go. So I feel like you should be able to present yourself. If you look good, smelling good, you're clean, neat, it kind of builds self-confidence and a little charisma, so people look like, ooh, he's attractive, she is attractive. This is how it goes. Now, look good, have a cool outfit, and just follow the steps from number 1 right up to number 10, and you're gonna see the magic unveiling every single time. You get everything you want just like that. That girl, you don't need to talk too much. Just follow the steps from 1 to 9 and practice it every single day. You're probably just gonna get there just like that. Yes. Nice to have you around, guys, beautiful people. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe down below. And if there's any other topics you want me to cover that will give guys the self-improvement and give you guys that charisma, that confidence, all of that good stuff, please do not hesitate to drop down in the comments below. And thanks a lot for being here again.
For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.